Hey everybody, this is Jacob over at Moix RV here in Conway, Arkansas, and the weather is getting great outside, and you know what that means? Football season, and we here at Moix are a proud sponsor of UCA football, and we're looking forward to their first home game this Saturday against UAPB. What better way to watch football than to tailgate with friends and family? And we have the perfect unit for you. It's this 2020 model 395M Momentum. Come check it out. This puppy here is perfect for the ultimate tailgating experience. You got 4 outside awnings, you have a back deck that lays down, you have an outside TV with outside speakers. You and your whole family, your friends, everybody could come together and have the ultimate tailgating experience. And after a long day of tailgating and having a blast outside, there's a ton of space for you to come inside and hang out with friends and family. There's a huge refrigerator you can stock full of food and drinks. There's a huge stove and an oven that you can prepare meals with. Convection oven. There's a huge back room with 2 large bunks and plenty of seating that you got. There's a full bathroom up front and a half bathroom in the back, so you have plenty of space for everybody to come in and enjoy the party inside as well as they did outside. All right, everybody, come on down to Moix RV and check this puppy out. And just ask for Jacob and I'll show you around.